Gather round, kids, it's time to eat. Chef John's got a treat so sweet. He's got a plan, he's got the taste. Let's make French toast with a speedy pace. Crack the eggs, and let's get cracking. Whisk 'em up, no time for slacking. A pinch of cinnamon, a dash of spice. French toast is coming, oh so nice. Dip the bread, so nice and slow. Into the batter, watch it go. Sizzle, sizzle, hear that sound? Golden brown, it's coming round. French toast time, it's time to shine. Golden, fluffy, oh so fine. Syrup drizzle, sweet and grand. Chef John's French toast is in demand. Here you go, a plate for you. Delicious French toast, enjoy the view. Take a bite, take a chew, it's the best, and it's made just for you. Chef John's kitchen, where magic's made. French toast fun, come on, don't trade.